Hey, mystery. She doesn't want to talk to anybody. So the ice storm is going to be happening pretty soon. I'll not be able to record for quite a while because we have to charge everything up just in case the power goes out. And if the power goes out, I will let you all know on YouTube. While I wait, let's introduce you to the outside cats. Sorry, I had to zip up a coat. That's Mystery. Miss. She's scared of everybody except for my grandma. And we have 2 cats in here, in our cat house that we've made for them. There's Billy Jean. You big boy. Yeah. And then Wrigley's over there. Oh. But more Wrigley. He does. Hi. And then here comes Riggs for some attention. These cats really like me. These ones really fight. These 2. Hi. Yep, hissing. Wrigley does not like any of the outside cats. Don't you, Riggs? Yeah, since it's winter time, we cannot really go outside that much, so they don't get much attention. That's why I'm petting them. Oh, you gonna fight? No? Okay, good. Don't want no cat fights today. Don't we, little guys? We've had Billie Jean since I was like 5 or something. Really old cat, aren't ya? Wrigley used to be scared of everybody back then, but now, tamed. Hi! Oh, it feels good to be having some quiet. You guys have quiet all the time. Oh. This guy has a very loud meow. You might hear it. Because since they don't get much attention when I walk away, they start chasing after me and biting my toes just because they want to be pet. Poor guys. Yeah, they're blocking my way. What? Big cats. What? Oh, no. Come on, Rick. Come, Eugene. Harsh during the winter time. Yeah, we have not had much snow at all this winter. It's crazy. Hi! Hi! You meow? Come on. Come on. Majestic cats. They seem to be getting along for now. Oh. She doesn't care about anybody. Hi! I don't know if you can hear that, but there's gunshots in the background. People are hunting. Kind of weird how they're hunting in winter. What? I'm gonna go up onto the deck. Try to avoid these cats from blocking my way. What? Oh, this is hard. What's wrong? You just want all the attention, don't you? You're an attention. Guys, making me walk very awkwardly. Come on. Come on. Can't feel my hands right now. I wish I could imagine myself to come out here for a little while, get me off the computer for a little bit. I'm on the computer a lot during the winter because there's nothing to do. I mean, if it was the summertime, then it's a different story, but nice day out. Wait, what am I saying? No, it's not a nice day out. It's freezing out. Nice days during the summer. My grandma loves animals. 5 cats, 1 fat dog out inside, and bird feeders. Oh, got scared by something. I don't know if you can see that, but mysteries. Watching the birds. Hey, Meeks. Hi. There's our burn pit over there. Don't know if you'll be able to see it that well. There's a swing set for the summertime for the little ones and trampoline. Have a humongous burn pile over there behind the burn pit. There's a bridge. We have our own bridge to go across the pasture if you didn't see yesterday. Wait, no, you didn't see that yesterday. Yeah, I made a video of me going up to the pasture, but it wouldn't allow me to upload it, so won't be able to make that. There's Grandma's garden. Another one. We used to have another bridge over there called the Troll Bridge. And the reason we called it that is because there was a lot of very weird movements and sounds in the bridge. Hi! Hi! I'm ready to take these guys back to the cat house that they're cold. Come on! Come on! Don't block them away. Don't you want to get into the left? Come on! Go in there! There you go. Come on, Mix! Lovely! Come on, kid. Come on! You sure? Oh, so she did come in. You guys are crazy. What? You just want some of that. Let's go inside the cat house. It's warm in there. Very big warm light. Everything. That was weird. I'm gonna walk around back. Okay? Okay with you? No, it doesn't. You just want that, don't you? I'm just gonna wait till I go out, aren't you? You're smart. Oh, sorry! You're smart kitty. What's up? The thing with my grandma is she likes doting on me. She likes taking care of me. I respect that. Just not in front of a YouTube crowd. So I'm gonna go in, put you in my pocket, still recording, and I'll take you off when I take off my coat. Hi, Rick. Hi, Pidgey. You going for a little bit? Bye. You're not gonna let me, aren't you? Come on. One more stroke? Yeah? 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 Big cat. Okay. Your eyes are so green. Alright. I'll put you in my pocket. Dang it, it's locked, of course. So I'm gonna have to go around the other way, because that way is locked. Alright. I don't know if you can hear me, but the way that I was gonna go in is locked, so we have to go around the back. The original place. Gosh, these cats love me so much. Sometimes fun, sometimes annoying. You still recording? Yes, you are. It's gonna be one of my longest videos yet. There's a little bit of raindrops and everything. Really? Yeah, there's a few. I think that's raindrops. I don't know. I think it is.
Did you feel anything?
No.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's like in Indianola, so it's getting...
Millie.
Your coat's not wet, so I don't feel anything. Where's your shoes, bud?
My shoes? Oh, they're in here. Oops, forgot.
I know, it's hard to break that.
She want out or something?
No, she just thinks it's getting close to her time to eat.
That's true.
What happened?
Band-Aid. Something. Oh.
Get him! Get behind you,